thinking that your original ambition wasn't necessarily to take the bike as far as you've taken it.
Yeah, it was an exhaust. You know,
It's nowhere near meant to be what it was.
That's how it started. It was an exhaust.
Yeah.
Please tell me the story. How far did we go?
Well, when Rob came in, we had a chat. So he brought down a Thruxton R, and also brought initially it was a T100 865. So we were going to do the exhaust on that first, so that he could get out on it in Christmas. And then the Thruxton was a longer project, which was going to be a drag system and then potentially airbox delete, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So that was a little bit more of an ongoing project. So we did the T100 within a couple of weeks, got him out on the road for Christmas, and then the Thruxton got the airbox delete done, and then I think the cogs started turning a little bit as to
Grew arms and legs.
You know, where we could potentially go with it. Sort of opened up a blank canvas, if you like, to the bike.